Hello, welcome to the Regarding Automobiles YouTube channel. My name is Phil. Today, just a quick video about one of these, which is a coil pack relocation kit. I know a lot of people want to do this, so I thought I'd put out a short video on me installing mine. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, don't worry. I'm still working at the kinks of the fresh engine install, so those videos will resume shortly. So let's get to this. So like a lot of people, I had to replace my factory intercooler. Mine actually had some damage on it, so I had to replace it. Other people just do it because they want to. But in the end, what you end up with is this. Because the intercooler is larger, the coil pack actually rubs right against it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this and sort of move it back a little bit so that there's a little gap here. Okay, so what comes in the kit? The plate itself, which is made from Delrin, which is just a machinable plastic. It's quite sturdy. It comes with the bolts that you need and some nice washers to finish it off. And the idea is just that you put this on the valve cover and there's new holes that are offset a bit, giving you a little extra room for your coil pack. I know this isn't sponsored content, but I know people always ask. So the actual company is Asphalt Killerz. I got it for, I think it was 25 US, and then to get to Canada was another 25. But yeah, let's put this in. So really easy. Take the coil pack plug out. So as you can see, the bolts are actually lower than the surface, so that the coil pack will just sit back on here flat. So right down here, there's a hole, no problem. Now it came with new bolts, so I can get rid of, these are, the actual factory coil pack comes with these bolts. These are actually the same stoppers that hold the valve cover on, or that seal the valve cover bolts. So it comes with some nice new bolts, some washers to make it look nice. So first thing, I'll pull these out. So you just drop it on, put those in. Put the bolts in. It's really straightforward. The only thing I would say is that I have an aftermarket coolant tank, so it sticks out a lot further than the factory one. So getting this on is kind of a pain. So I'm just going to put it on before I bolt it in. Gonna bolt this on. There we go. Okay, here's the after. You can see there's actually a gap here now, maybe 3 centimeters or an inch. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. That's it. The whole install took about 5 minutes with filming, so that always slows things down. If you're interested in other R53 mini videos, check out my whole series, my whole channel, and basically it's me going from being a complete novice, buying an R53 mini, blowing the engine up on a track, and then trying to figure out with the help of YouTube, forums, and just the community how to swap a new engine and rebuild an engine and reinstall it. So if you're interested in that, check out the rest of the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.